Hi guys, it's Mark Taggart here from Create LMS. We've been around since about 2015, and we've been messing around with AI for quite a long time, like people have, and have developed some really cool projects. One of the challenges our customers faced are content building heroes. That a client's got over 230,000 learners within their platforms. They've got 7 interlinked platforms and they have large training teams. And one of the biggest problems that the training teams have is building high quality quizzes and assessments to test the knowledge retention. And most of these poor guys are not subject matter experts, and they're doing quite complicated and technical training. And there's this real crazy frustration about getting support and help from the subject matter experts to actually help them create meaningful quizzes. And what that does is it often adds, avoidable delays, and it really impacts the hero's, reputation. They're there. So, please, can you help me design this course on this router or whatever problem? And they're just not getting answers. So I don't know if that resonates with you guys. But this awesome client recognized this problem amongst their L&D teams and the frustration it was causing. And they knew and heard about some of the other AI projects that we're into at the moment and said, hey, maybe you guys can actually build us an AI auto-generating quiz builder. And so we did. And I would love to get your brain power on this and lots of other little things that we're working on, which I think you'll like. And I certainly, when I've been playing with this stuff, can really see the future of learning. So really hyper personalized learning journeys. Now, before you all start jumping and shouting at me, this is closed circuit AI. It is not going to the internet asking random questions and coming back with silly answers. This is just focused. If you think of it as an AI mega coach going in and reviewing your courses and your classes, becoming the subject matter expert on that. And then we've got another language model, our superhero HR person who speaks eloquently and intelligently and kindly to people. These two models come together to work in harmony in lots of different ways, from interviewing to skills assessments and so on and so forth. But there's lots of crazy proof of concepts that we're doing at the moment. It takes us anywhere between 4 hours and 4 days to do a really awesome proof of concept. And we would love to get your ideas and thinking into this. So let's show you how Quiz Builder works. Sorry about that. Could do with some AI help just to help me learn how to use PowerPoint. So this one here is the Mega Coach. So the Mega Coach is a standalone app. You don't have to buy our LMS to have it, and you just turn around, and what you do is you point it to all your knowledge, all your emails, all your information. And this was actually built for a large company who has a manager who has been looking after a factory in a complex since 1998, and all of his knowledge and all his information was going. So what we did was we gave it to Digital Martin, it was called, and then we've deployed that. Now, I know that's not Quiz Builder, but hopefully this concept, and you can see here down here what it looks like in Create LMS. Turn the page. So here, this is Quiz Builder. So in our system, you just go right along the top and you just navigate the way through it, and then you drag and drop future-proofed tiles, really. So here, you just drag Quiz Builder in, you then adjust the percentage, the number of attempts, whether you want it sequential, and then you come to this page and this page pops up. So here we are, we've now called it, and then you point it to the content you want, and you can build multiple quizzes. And then you tell it how many you want it to build, and then it comes up with this. And the brilliant thing about this is you can randomize sequentially, you can export it and send this off to your subject matter expert. In our platform, you can actually even enable the subject matter expert to have view or edit only rights on these quizzes. So it's really refined, but you can see here I can quickly come through and delete these, and it will speed up the whole process. So it's like everything, it's not perfect, but it's not a bad start. Anyway, reach out to me on these details. Would love to hear from you and start a conversation and take your wisdom and learnings. Thank you.